Hi, I'm Zach from Hampson Auctions. I'm delighted to be back at my home circuit at Oulton Park in Cheshire to kick off what has been our record-breaking year as a business so far. This weekend is of course the historic Gold Cup, and I am so pleased to be celebrating our flagship auction with over 120 vehicles on offer, 65% of which are offered at no reserve. My collaboration with Oulton Park has spanned many decades as a family, and I'm delighted that our name is now clearly displayed on the pit straights here at Oulton Park. Today, I'd like to take you through some of my top picks in the auction for this weekend and share with you some of the vehicles that really stand out for me. My first pick is this 1998 Lotus Elise Series 1. And the reason I picked this particular car is that one trend that I've noticed in the Hampson Auctions office in recent years is collectors globally contacting us in the search for low mileage cars. This particular car, supplied originally by HR Owen, believe it or not, has completed just over 2,000 miles from new. It is offered in this weekend's auction entirely without reserve. With so many fantastic cars on offer this Sunday, our auction at Oulton Park, it's been very difficult for me to pinpoint my exact top picks. But one car that was really stand out for me was this fabulous Mark I Escort Mexico. It was campaigned in 1973 by none other than Chris Lord in the British Rally Championship. And it has been subject to a full nut and bolt rebuild. It is an absolute gem and would be a fantastic addition to any Ford collection. I had to mention this really interesting hot hatch hero. Everyone's familiar with the 1.9 and 1.6 variants of the 205 GTI. This particular model is very interesting, being that it's a very low mileage example, but also it was exported from Japan. Now, in the Japan market, the vehicles were able to be optioned with automatic transmission and also air conditioning and power steering, which is a fantastic addition to this already very capable hot hatch. That concludes my video for today. I really hope to see you this weekend at the Gold Cup at Oulton Park. It's going to be an action-packed weekend. If you cannot attend, you can browse our full lots on our website at hampsonauctions.com. You can of course bid there or via telephone on 01606 828 124. That's 01606 828 124. If you can attend, which would be fantastic, viewing starts from 9 AM tomorrow and the auction starts this Sunday, the 27th of July at 12 noon. We really look forward to you joining us.